Never compare your journey with someone else. Never compare your progress or success with anyone else. Comparison, jealousy is the thief of joy. Okay, that saying is just not just a saying, it's the truth. So if you see people around you or people on YouTube getting the success that you want, like this is my dream. I'm seeing everyone around me receiving it, but I have not received it yet. Get rid of that feeling of being envious and jealous. It's just going to bring you down. Because it's a feeling, it creates emotional impact. And any feeling that creates an emotional impact, like jealousy, love, anger, it can be felt in your body, right? Anything that creates emotions and feelings that you can feel in your body and mind really, really evidently are impacting your state. Okay. When we say you manifest what you are, not what you want, we mean that you manifest what your state is. And what your state is, your being. Okay. Who are you being? State can be impacted instantly when emotions and feelings come into the picture, because those are instant manifestations into your body. Okay. When you're angry, when you feel love, you feel it in your body. So emotions are the fastest way, feelings are the fastest way to change your state. And when you're jealous and envious, you feel it in your body. It's not just something happening at a surface level. People feel it in their chest. At least I do feel it in my chest, the times I felt it. So that's impacting your state. And that's really just pushing you back on your progress. Keeping a abundant mindset will take you far, far, far ahead in your manifestation process, because you know that nothing is limited. And by that, I mean money is not limited. And if your mind is not able to comprehend that, you can also very easily use logic over here. Do you know how much money exists on earth? Do you know the kind of wealth that exists on earth? And it's just rotating and rotating, going through different hands. That's all. Okay? Money is not limited. Okay? It's not that, okay, I can get only certain amount of money. And if this month I get money, or this month I get these many views, well, this is the end of it. Everything has to end. Every good thing has to come to an end. These are all those notions you need to get rid of. There's unlimited money on earth. Money will keep getting produced. Think about this logically. Money will not end. Okay? Just because money is ending in your pockets does not mean money is ending in the world. Love is not limited. There's abundance of love out there, in people, in our family, in our friends. Okay? Opportunities are not limited. There are thousands of opportunities being created every day. Today, your job title does not exist. Tomorrow, some company can come up with that job title created and you have that opportunity. So having an abundant mindset will really take you ahead. Having a scarcity mindset will really keep you stuck and stagnant, because you will feel everything is limited, everything will come to an end, and guess what? It will come to an end. So it's really important to just know that there's enough for everyone. And once you get into that, knowing that there's enough for everyone, nothing is limited, that comparison, that jealousy, and that feeling of being envious will start fading away on its own. Because we start comparing ourselves, our journey with other people when we see we can't have something. Or you can have it, certain kind of people can have it, but I cannot. So just changing your mindset from scarcity to abundance will really help you in getting rid of those feelings of jealousy and being envious and comparison. Always, always use other people's journey for inspiration, never for comparison. If you feel you're using it for comparison, drop it over there. Anyone who is more successful than you should be a factor in your manifestation journey that is providing motivation to you. Nothing else. Okay? Get inspired by others. I always encourage people to take 3D references. People have come from nothing and made a fortune. Even in today's time, the fortune people are making is more visible to us. We see these creators because so many opportunities have opened up. Did we know 10 years back something called as influencers or creators would be there? No, right? Things come up. Things change. Okay, everything around us keeps changing. So don't limit your mindset that this will never work, or this kind of opportunity will never come up, or these kind of things can never really bring money or be monetized. We have seen creators change their lives through these opportunities that have come up. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Yes, there are a lot of fraud creators and influencers out there too, but there are those genuine ones who have shown their progress to us from nothing to now really living a comfortable life and changing not just their own life, but their family's life, their parents' life. And those are really beautiful ways to inspire yourself. If they can do it, I can do it too. Because success is not limited. Success is not just for a few people. Money is not limited. Anyone who has anything on this earth, you can have it too. It's as simple as that. Anything. Everything, let me explain you the basics of manifestation again. Everything that is happening in your life, okay, opportunities, people, success, wealth, anything is happening through people. Apart from people who exists on this earth, tell me that. There are people on this earth. I'm not talking literally like there are animals and birds and everything. I'm talking about in terms of human beings, okay? Take the smallest manifestation, you manifesting a cup of coffee or a treat or a free gift, to the biggest manifestation, you getting a job, you getting your true love, you having amazing friends and relationships. Everything is happening through people, including that lottery. I think the best example to compare that with would be an interview, okay? And I'm not talking about niche positions. There are interviews where people call candidates in bulk. Okay, there are walk-in interviews where during the day thousands of people walk in. Okay, it's. I think this is a perfect example, because even in a lottery, thousands of people are putting in their trying their luck, basically. Okay, luck. So it's like saying you cannot get a job in a company because you don't have any influence over the interview or the process. So, don't try it for these bulk interviews. Okay, try it only for the interviews where, it's one-on-one just with you and a few more candidates. These are the kind of restrictions that just my mind cannot comprehend it, because I wouldn't say expert. Okay, I think it's a learning process. We keep learning new things about manifestation. It's always an evolving process. Okay, the way I started, where I am now, it's really different in the way I perceive manifestation. And I know it will change and evolve even further. But my mind cannot comprehend any of these limiting beliefs. It has become, my mind, I've made it so strong with these kind of things. It just comes and bounces back. Okay, I don't absorb these kind of things anymore. I have not for the past 4-5 years. So please do not get discouraged if someone is trying to put in limitations and restrictions that these are the categories you can manifest. And, you can achieve everything. Everything is possible. But, here you don't have any influence. That's logical. Okay, you don't have any influence here. Okay, anyone can get the lottery. How will you influence the person who's trying to pick the name? Same like how will you influence the interviewer who's trying to choose a candidate? Okay, same like how you're trying to influence the specific person to try to choose you. If you apply that logic of lottery, really understand it, then you cannot manifest anything. I'm talking about people who really do put restrictions. There are a lot of people out there on YouTube that are against manifesting specific people, that are against manifesting money. Find channels that truly teach you what manifestation and abundance is all about. And the biggest sign of you having found a good channel is they're not putting across any restrictions on you. Okay? Everything is on you. Who am I to put restrictions? Manifest whatever you want. Everything is on you, but even the hard work and discipline is on you. If you're not able to manifest something, it's on you and your hard work and your discipline and you not being able to make peace with your past. It's not on that YouTube teacher. But if you watch these kind of people that put those restrictions on you and then definitely you don't achieve those things in your life and you're just finding someone to blame, so you blame those manifestation teachers. Okay, no one has anything to do with your life. Try to understand this. Really be mindful of the content you're consuming, of the people you're subscribing to, of the things you're learning from people. Especially on YouTube, especially in today's time, be really mindful, because as I said, we are a sponge. Okay, it's really easy to brainwash people. It's the easiest thing to brainwash human beings. Unless you have become really mentally strong through your own development and your own, work you have done on yourself. So there are no limitations. You can manifest anything. That can include people, opportunities, things, materialistic things, non-materialistic things, experiences. It's all about the work you put in. If you're still confused about what the work is, what the discipline is, what the inner work is, then you can watch the videos on my channel. I feel I have taught them in the simplest way possible, okay? Explain the concepts in the simplest way possible.